We'll guide you through how to fix delayed or slow touchscreen response on an iPhone. If you find this guide useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be super annoying as you're trying to go and click something and there's a slight delay, especially when trying to go and type as well, as you end up double typing and things like that. So to go and fix this, we've got a few different things you can try, so make sure it's this full video. First of all, go and open up the settings like so, and what you want to do is scroll down and find accessibility. In accessibility, scroll down into physical and motor and click on touch, and what you then need to do is go and click on touch accommodations. What you want to do is make sure it's turned off. You also want to make sure hold duration is switched off, and these others are as well. After you've done that, go and see if the problem is solved. And the next thing you can try doing as well is doing a forced restart. Sometimes it's simply a glitch and doing a restart will fix this. So press the increase volume button, the decrease, and hold down the power button. Shortly, your phone screen should go black, but keep on holding the power button until the Apple logo appears. You can see my phone is now black, and I'll release it when I see the Apple logo now. Hopefully now that's fixed it. If you found this guide useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.